We believe that work optional is the future, and we want to help get more people going towards that goal, just like we are. So that's why we're building a space, Fun Club. Fun Club is a wealth building community that's designed for people who want to get more out of life and know that money is going to be part of making that happen. It's a space to swap notes with other people on similar journeys to that work optional path, to find really creative and unique investing strategies that's going to help get you there faster, and just to be around people who actually get it and are having these conversations on another level. It's also the first space that actually brings all of these investing conversations together. Stock market, real estate, crypto, angel investing, building a business, personal finance systems. We feel like all of these conversations happen so siloed. We have our business builders over here, our stock market people over here, crypto nerds over here, real estate investors over here, and there's not enough spaces that bring them all together. But we really feel that all the successful people we connect with are doing all of it. And they're having those back of the room conversations about, what are you doing over here? How are you implementing this? How do these things work together? And so we want to build a space that is going to be the, I want to say, number one place on the internet for anyone who's passionate about investing and getting to work optional, where all those conversations are actually happening in a holistic way.
So why did we build Fun Club? The reason for this is that there's a ton of great resources for 101 personal finance to get that foundation started. But once you get past a certain level, what's next? Those questions start coming up, and the information out there is a lot more scarce. Like, what do we do once you have 3 properties and you want to buy that 4th? Or you have over 250 in stocks, but not sure what your diversification looks like, or if it's proper to be work optional in your early 30s, right? And after we've been self-employed for over 10 years, we've kind of learned that the best way that we've learned self-taught is to put ourselves into those rooms. And I feel like if we were into those rooms sooner, it maybe would have sped up our process a lot more. I remember even our first business, after 4 or 5 years of building it, we kind of started from scratch because we didn't really know how or why we were building it the way we were. And so at year 5 in our entrepreneurial journey, we did it differently. But again, it was still like scrapping parts and pieces from all these other places.
Yeah, for our own journey, we really realized that like how we've been able to get to a place with a multi-7-figure portfolio is from leveraging these different strategies that are often so siloed and really don't need to be siloed. It's just often people are like maybe selling the real estate investing course, or they're the mortgage broker, or over here someone has the stock market course, and that's the thing that they've like learned about, so it's what they go all in on. And people just often aren't comfortable with the things they don't know, whereas we've really been looking at all of these different things and how do we learn, and it's really been these like sidebar conversations, asking peers who are doing similar things, getting advice from even like our accountants or lawyers who see other people doing these things. And so it really clicked for us of like, we need to create this room, because we've been fortunate enough to be invited into a lot of rooms where these are the sidebar conversations. And I know growing up, neither of us had a lot of resources or examples of what it looked like to really build wealth. And so we want to be that space where these conversations are happening holistically. And when we say pass the 101 too, it doesn't mean like you have to know absolutely everything, and it's not so nerdy that like you can't understand. I think it's just like, hey, we're not here for the Google questions. It's the, I want to run a business and I want to incorporate, but I'm investing heavily to do FIRE. So like, how does that work? That's a question someone texted me the other day, and she was like, this is totally a Fun Club question, right? So figuring out these more unique scenarios that a lot of us are facing. And then we can get to that work optional faster.
And the big aha moment, I think, for us is the more we talk about it to people in our online communities, or even just like one-on-one in person, people are feeling the same way, who are at a similar level as us. And we were like, aha, we're not the only ones. But if we could all pull together into one community who have a shared goal, we could do it way faster.
So I want to show you what it's going to look like inside Fun Club once you get in there, because we have a lot of different things that we're going to be doing. The first one being monthly guest strategy calls. This is maybe, I'd say this is like top 2 of what I'm most excited about. Every month we're going to either have a community member or a guest from outside the community come in and do a strategy breakdown. So they're going to take an investment strategy that they've done, whether that's like an interesting thing they do with stock market investing, maybe a real estate property, whether that's someone doing Airbnb and short-term rentals, or someone with long-term tenants, or how did you flip a property and sell it? We've had some friends that have, torn down and built from the ground up. So really getting into the real numbers, the real strategies, the real mistakes, because everybody learns so many mistakes from their first one. So we can kind of cheat code that and learn off their mistakes, but really break down what's actually happening behind the scenes, and a space where you can also ask your questions to those people. So I'm really excited. We're going to do that every month. Once a month, we're going to be pulling a different type of strategy. And once you're inside the community, you get the opportunity to weigh in on topic requests or what kind of variety you want to see in those. We're also going to have some other types of live calls, like our Friday money check-ins, where Josh will be leading those out the gate, paying your bills, checking in on your revenue.
Net worth updates, hot topics. If something happened in the market that week, we'll just have an open conversation about it.
This is really great for anybody that needs that accountability or that scheduled space to just do these things. I mean, obviously everything in the community is optional. I always say these are the optional ones, because if you want to throw that on your calendar to have the weekly routine, by all means. If that's not your jam, you're not missing out on the bulk of what's happening inside the community. And then we're also going to have end of month calls where we do some reflection on the month, maybe a little friendly push to get you closer to your goals or a little bit clearer on what needs to happen. And then that's really going to be our end of month net worth update, which is what we love to do all the time. Is we tend to do it weekly, but I'm obsessed with at the end of every month, updating all of our different investment numbers, doing some scenario building, and really playing with that. And our very first call, when you join the community, is all about that work optional number. So if you haven't yet figured out, or if you want to validate what that work optional number for you, we actually have 5 phases of that we like to talk through. So we're really excited to get people figuring out that number right out the gate. And then we're doing one-on-one onboarding calls with people to better understand your goals. And once you have that work optional number, look at it and okay, how does this feel? What needs to happen? And having those conversations so we can make sure that this membership space is supporting you too.
And then another thing that we're really excited about is our tools. And the thing is, the tools and also the live calls doesn't have to be so set in stone. Again, this is forever growing and evolving as the members grow, the needs and wants grow too. There's always be tweaks to it, but we're gonna have tools that you can use to show you what that work optional number is, how much of your income right now is currently
Josh made this really cool calculator that's income replacement calculator. And so what it does is it shows you can put in your investments, you can put in your age and your goals, and it will let you know how much, the percentage of your income that your passive could currently replace. So right now I have enough passively that I could maybe take 60K a year. Which I don't feel comfortable taking right now. But in theory, if we looked at my income, that would show what percentage of my income could be covered by passive. So if you really want to work towards being able to not work soon, it's showing you, okay, here's what has to happen, which is really cool. And then the work optional calculator, the gap, which we've talked about on this channel before, of, okay, this is where you are now. Here's your dream life. How do we fill that gap financially? And so Josh is making some really cool tools. There's some already in there, but gonna keep developing these as people need them.
Yeah, I'm pretty much taking any tools that I use right now on the internet and building my own version of it. So it's very specific and tailored to the Fun Club.
Yeah, everything that we find is missing in other calculators, we're filling that gap. And then our investment tracker that we've always used a spreadsheet for, pulling some of those crazy scenarios that I've built out just in a spreadsheet into a much easier tool. The other thing I would say this is when I said I have 2 favorites, my other one is just the community spaces. So we've separated within the community these different channels where you can talk about stock market, real estate, crypto. These are all divided by categories. And then we have a general chat because obviously we've been talking about the strategy is using all of these. So we need a space to talk that through too. But these are really specific threads, which is a great place to ask your question of I'm thinking about investing this, or I need a resource for this. Hey, I just saw this breaking article. What are people's thoughts on this? So I think it's a really cool space to nerd out a little bit more specifically. And I think that's where a lot of the in-between magic happens that I'm excited about. And obviously with a virtual space like that, you get to connect with the other members through those conversations, but also we have a really great member directory, so you can find people based on if they live on in the same city as you, which is really fun. Different like milestone places where they're at, whether they already, like if you both invest in real estate, and some different tracking around where people are work optionally. And it's fun because you can put in like a little bio, and so you could read other people's bios, read their intro posts, and really connect with the people you connect with.
I think that's so important because for me, you don't know what you don't know, and just having someone who is in a similar position or a couple steps ahead of you makes all the difference in not only giving me the confidence that I could do it, but also help show me the path, the way that I can do it myself, right?
Mm-hmm. And so if we looked at like your first 30 days inside of Fun Club, right out the gate, we have that welcome party where you get to meet different people and also walk away with your work optional number. Then on every Friday, if you want to join to have that accountability and that co-working to get your bills paid, have those updates, figure your things out. And then mid-month is when we're going to always have that guest call. And then end of month is your net worth update. And anything of those extra calls like the net worth update and the Friday check-ins, we're also going to do virtual thread versions of them too. So if people want to add exciting updates about their net worth, you don't always have to be on call in order to do that. Also, something that's like fun I like to talk about is where we want to take this, because we've always been big dreamers and visionaries, and I love building transparently. So for me, I'm really excited in the future about having an investing syndicate where we can actually invest in startups together and real estate projects. And then we really want to add some in-person meetups once we get a better grip of where all of our members live, doing some IRL meetups, potentially having some mastermind retreat options or accelerators that you can join exclusively to the Fun Club community.
And for the longest time, actually not the longest time, I've always had this little dream in the back of my head in my entrepreneurial journey. The first one was having my own gym. I've had that for a long time. And then somewhat recently, it was more so opening a coffee shop. I just love coffee shops. But it's actually transitioning now to wanting to host a massive work optional conference. I'm putting that out right now. I would love to do a conference of that sort.
Do I have to help?
Yeah, if you want to. We'll get the members to help.
This is news to me. Yeah, so really, if this is vibing with you, we would love to see you inside of Fun Club. It's really a space for people who want to learn creative and unique smart moves that are still ethical and moral, but just better ways to do things. People that want to work towards that work optional life without sacrificing health or happiness along the way. People who just ultimately love to share as much as they give and ask the nosy questions. This room is full of people who want to ask the nosy questions, but are equally willing to offer up things that have worked really well for them. And that's really what builds a true community space. And anyone that has that peer-to-peer mentality, I think, belongs in this space, and who just wants to live an extraordinary life. So we're doing something really exciting where we do have a founding member rate and a bunch of perks for our founding members, because we really appreciate anyone that wants to build this from the start with us. So we're going to drop some information below, but you have a special rate, you have special perks, you have a special badge in the community, and you're going to get access to some different exclusive stuff for as long as you're in the community. So take a look, join the waitlist. Doors open Monday, May 4th.
See you there.